Want to take control of your finances without endless manual updates? Learn how to build an automated budget in Excel that does the heavy lifting for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you how to create an automated budget in Excel. Let's get started. 1. Set up your sheet. Open Excel, then select Blank Workbook. Rename the Sheet tab. To do that, double-click and type Monthly Budget or Budget as per your choice. 2. Create your budget layout. Now to create the layout, in row 1, add headers. Like here for AI, we are naming it as category. For B1, it's planned, C1 as actual, D1 as difference. Now make the headers bold by selecting them and press Ctrl+B combination keys. 3. Add budget categories. Next, you need to add the budget categories. Starting in A2, list your categories. For example, type income in A2, rent in A3, utilities in A4, groceries in A5, transport in A6, savings in A7, entertainment in A8, miscellaneous in A9. Leave income at the top so it's easy to track. 4. Enter planned and actual amounts. Now enter how much you expect to earn or spend in column B. Like in B2, we are adding 3,000, 1,200 in B3, 200 in B4, 400 in B5. Once you are done doing that, enter the actual amounts in column C. Enter what you actually spent or earned. You will update this during the month. 5. Automate the difference column and totals. Next, in D2, enter this formula equals B2 minus C2. Press enter. Now add automatic totals. Below your last category, for example, row 10. In cell A10, type total. In B10, type this equals sum B2 colon B9. In C10, type this equals sum C2 colon C9. In D10, type this equals sum D2 colon D9. Now your totals should update automatically. 6. Calculate remaining balance. Track how much money you have left. In A12, type remaining balance. In B12, enter equals B2 minus C10. This shows your income minus your total expenses. 7. Add conditional formatting. Next, column D and select it. Next, go to Home, then select Conditional Formatting. From here, you can choose the color red for values less than 0, color green for values greater than 0. Now, overspending should be highlighted automatically. 8. Automate by month. To reuse this every month, right-click the Sheet tab, then select Copy To, and you can rename it in the name of the months like January, February, etc. 9. Add a chart. Select the range A3 colon C9 in Excel step by step. Using the mouse, move your cursor to cell A3. Click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the cursor down and across until you reach cell C9. Release the mouse button. The range A3 colon C9 will now be highlighted. Once selected, you can go to Insert then Chart to create the planned versus actual comparison. Your Excel budget will automatically calculate totals, show overspending instantly, update balances as you type, be reusable every month. And that's it. You know how to set up an automated budget in Excel that keeps your finances updated with minimal effort by now. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech solutions. Share your experience in the comments. Your insights could help others build smarter budgets too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.